connecting it.
This is so extra. I didn't know it was like this. Oh, there's a booklet. Extra random stuff. This is the wire. Oh, it's one of the nicer looking wire.
Is it the braided one?
Yeah. And this is the watch thing. Oh, it's hell nice. Always love their sticky thingies.
I know. They make it easier for you to open it.
Oh, that looks nice. Nicer than I thought.
That's the other way. That way.
This way?
Yeah. It's supposed to be upward because that's backward. That's underneath.
Okay. Holy moly, this is nice. Oh, that was really easy to snap compared to my old one. I think it's because of the titanium.
You don't use the crown to turn it on. It's the big one.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, not that. Oh, no, that one. Yeah.
Oh, that is really comfortable. This band.